So I just finished shooting a video on this carbon fiber from EV Wraps, when lo and behold in the mail came the steering wheel carbon fiber. So you can see there's a little bitty smaller one than you would get for the console part to help you put it in place, shove it along in there, get the bubbles out. So we're going to go ahead and open this up and go ahead and put this carbon fiber vinyl wrap on here. So just so you see what comes in, they give you two left ones, I guess in case you screw up on the left one, and then of course the steering wheel part, and then one right one, and then you got some cleaning wipes, and then the squeegee on there to put it in place. And so we're gonna go and give it a try and see if we can put it in here without any trouble. Alright, so I took the cleaning wipes and I wiped all of them here. I did notice really quickly on the ones that I was sent that there's two arrows, see the white arrows on that left one, but the replacement left one they sent me only has one. Just a little error when they print it up or whatever. That one has two, so we're gonna start with this one and hopefully that one will work and we won't have any issue. Alright, I put both these on, and sorry about the low lighting, but I actually had to put this one on twice. I did use the second one because I started here, and when it got up around this crease, it really got difficult. And so luckily they had provided it. They told you to start on the left hand side in the instructions, and so I kind of just lined up these two little lights and then kind of went up and around and then kind of slowly put it up in here. Same thing for this side, so I had a little experience on the other side. Way more difficult, I would say, to put on than these, because these are big, huge square or rectangle pieces, and these are a little more intricate. So just one little last piece. I'm hoping that's going to be a little easier. All right, last piece is on, and I was able to put it on pretty good. You have this little piece here that I started up here and I lined it up, and then I kind of ran it down and got all the bubbles out, and pretty good fit. I don't see any black. Close as I can get, just doing a DIY part. So there you have it, the steering wheel wrap carbon fiber to match my carbon fiber over here from EV Wraps, and I'll put the link below and installation instructions as well. So if you have any questions, please feel free to comment, and as always, subscribe when you see that little Average Joe button pop up.